Hey, so yes, to expand on the post, you know, if you are somebody where it is in complete alignment with you to share and educate and use products that are more natural, wholesome, and healthier, and you're interested in a low tox lifestyle, then I would like to invite you to connect with me by filling out the form below, and I'll be in touch within the next 48 hours. So primarily what I'm looking for is somebody that I can tell by what you share with the world on social media that you love to educate people on how to live a cleaner life. And if that is you, then I know this will appeal to you. So what this is really is about me giving you an experience with doTERRA essential oils and for you to share about that experience with your followers on social media. And that could be it for you if you want, or it may turn into where you'd like to open a doTERRA wholesale account and get 25% off all your natural health needs and your essential oils. Or it could even grow into another stream of income for your business. And so wherever you land, I could be there to support you. But that's how I started, and I fell in love with the oils for my own personal use and then incorporated them into my health coaching practice. And it's really wonderful because it's a passion of mine to see people's lives change, one life at a time, change for the better. And so that's why I invite for you to connect with me. And if this is of interest to you, just swipe up and fill out the form. Thanks.